In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to MetaMask. So the first thing you want to do is inside the Coinbase Wallet, and you want to go at the very top left where you can see it says address 1, and you want to click on that. And then at the very bottom, you want to click on Add and Manage Wallets. After you click on this, a menu will pop up, there we go, and you want to enter, access address 1, which is the wallet 1. And once you click on address 1, over here, it will say Show Private Key. You want to click on Show Private Key and then unlock your wallet with your PIN. And after you do this, it will say recovery phrase or private key request. Basically, you have to allow and make sure that nobody is watching you. So basically that nobody can see it, because your private key should be private and only you are allowed to know it, because if somebody else knows it, they can basically steal your wallet if they want to. So make sure only you can see it, press allow, and then basically unhide it with an icon in the background, and then you'll be able to copy your private key. Now, once you've copied your private key, you want to head on to your MetaMask account. So over here, there's my MetaMask. Once you're in your MetaMask account, you want to click account 1 at the very top over there. And then once you click this, it will show you a menu at the very bottom. There we go. And you want to click on add account or hardware wallet. Once you click on that, tap on import account. And then once you do that, you want to paste in your private key string that you copied from your Coinbase wallet. Now, you can't see this on my screen due to privacy reasons. However, you will just have to paste in your private key string, click import at the very bottom of your screen, and you'll be good to go. Your Coinbase wallet will be imported into MetaMask. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.